If you've seen Carter-London.com promoting their huge farewell sale with up to 80% off and claiming to be a UK-based fashion brand established back in 1982, you might be tempted to grab the deals, but before you do, it's worth looking at whether this store is truly trustworthy or just another risky online shop hiding behind big promises. At first glance, the site looks polished with professional images and attractive offers, but digging deeper reveals several red flags that shoppers should know. For starters, the claim of being in business for over 30 years doesn't match reality since the domain itself was only registered in late 2025, which means their story of long-standing history is likely fabricated. The product photos they use also aren't unique to them. Many can be found circulating on multiple other websites, which raises questions about where their stock is actually coming from. When it comes to transparency, Carter-London.com doesn't share any clear information about who owns the business, where it's truly based, or how it operates, and their customer support is limited to just one email address, with no phone number, no live chat, and no physical address easily available for verification. The reviews on their own website look glowing and overly positive, but they feel generic and scripted, which is often a sign that they may not represent real buyer experiences. On the other hand, when looking at feedback from outside sources, some shoppers have reported receiving items that appear to be shipped directly from China, often with lower quality than expected, misleading sizing, and frustrating refund processes that don't align with the easy returns policy the site claims to offer. So while Carter-London.com might seem appealing at first with its heavy discounts and claims of being a heritage brand, the lack of verifiable background, questionable reviews, reused product images, and inconsistent customer experiences all paint a mixed picture, leaving the store sitting in a gray area where it's neither clearly legit nor an outright proven scam, but definitely one to be cautious about if you're thinking of placing an order.